nakumbuka iko wakati walikuwa anaitwa Arab nani? Alikuwa anaitwa Arab nani? Then nikasikia ameanza kuitwa Hasla. Then kidogo kidogo nasikia sijui anaitwa Zakayo. Sasa nasikia sijui ni Kasongo. Wengine wanasema ni Kaongo. So you are either with the people or with that other side. But I want to say 2 or 3 things before I sit. And allow me as the deputy leader of the minority, kwa sababu nimekuwa bunge kwa muda, and we have seen, we know we are the majority in court. Na unajua pale bunge wala wameshikilia doria, they have always continuously denied us. First and foremost, the country is in trouble. My colleagues have spoken. Kenya iko kwa hali hatari. There are only 4 things of software that I want to talk about today very quickly, and that is the economy. Of course, the economy of the country is one of the things you have to worry about. Education, health, and security of the country. The economy is doing badly kwa sababu wakati Zakayo aliongeza ushuru, immediately all those people that would have invested in Kenya went elsewhere. And that is why we have rampant unemployment in this country. Number 2, wakati aliongeza ushuru, hata mshahara imeenda chini. There is no spending power. Everybody has become poorer. So the economy is doing badly because of policies that have been brought by a government that does not care for the people. Our health sector is in a shambles. Munajua, juzi hospitali za private zote wamesema they will not treat teachers, they will not treat police, they will treat nobody unless you pay cash. Because SHA has failed. That is a policy of a failed government. The issue of education. Sahi munajua funding model has been thrown out by the court. Our junior secondary schools infrastructure is missing. We are in trouble. Security of the country is in trouble kwa sababu mmeona wamefungua hata mipaka. Watu wakuja wachukue ID hata bila vetting. So I'm telling you, Kenya is in trouble. Today, we are hearing that PLP is saying unite and liberate. The only way we shall get ourselves from that trouble is to unite and do what? Unity will start from our leaders all the way to the bottom. And the minute you do that, let us liberate so that Kenya can move forward, so that these things that we are seeing can be... Sorry? Thank you. So that the things that Zakayo is doing can be put a stop to by the team that is seated here. Finally, unajua kuna watu wanasema eti you are either with the Wamunyoro team or with the Zakayo team. I want to speak confidently. Kwa sababu hata bunge, wakati walileta impeachment motion, I stood up na nikawambia, shule ikianguka, it is not the deputy principal that is kicked out, it is the principal himself. Kama Kenya iko na shida, it should never have been Rigathi Gachagua. It should have been who? It should have been who? Asante, Mungu awabariki, asanteni.
Your Excellencies na watu wote ambao wamefika hapa, hamjambo. Mimi naitwa Mheshimiwa Njeri Maina, Mama County wa Kirinyaga, ama mkipenda Gasheri Gaito. Na mwanzo nataka niwapongeze hawa viongozi wote ambao wamefika hapa. Mimi nasikia watu kule